Hello guys, good morning. Let's do time check. It's Sunday. It's Sunday guys. Tomorrow wala kaming pasok kasi Memorial Day. And as usual, I'm watching ka-sister guys. 'Di ba meron ka-brother? And I'm watching ka-sister. Kasi kuminsan guys, natutuwa din ako sa mga ganyan bang vlog. Kahit maliit lang, yung mga views, at least nagtatry sila, 'di ba? Anyway, tignan natin yung weather sa labas. This time, hindi lang tayo sisilip. Pupunta tayo kasi magdidilig din tayo. Kasi ano guys, usually, um, pag nagsasabi ako sa inyo, maaga pa kagigising. Maaga. Nagising na ako kanina pa kasi kahit anong late kung matulog, I still wake up about 7:30. Kasi nga, yung katawan natin sanay na gumising ng maaga. But anyway, nagkape na ako, kumain na ako, tapos sabi ko, magdilig tayo sa garden. Malamig pa rin guys, chill pa rin. So, halika, samahan nyo ako. Ano ba yan? Samahan nyo ako magdilig. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. Tignan nyo yung puno. Ang laki ng puno sa likod ng bahay namin. Yeah. Sana ganito na lang palagi yung weather na, guys. But anyway, magdidilig tayo ngayon. Oh, ayan yung namin, porch. Yeah. Kasi ang style ko guys, pag nagdidilig ako ng halaman, 1 in the morning and 1 at the afternoon pag wala na yung wala na yung araw. Kaya kukunin ko muna yung hose. By the way guys, natapos na nating magdilig. Tapos ito yung dirty kitchen ko sa labas. Ngayon, natanggap ko na yung aking sink. Nakabili ako ng stainless steel na lababo. Kasi meron naman ditong hose. Yeah, meron siyang access ng tubig, like hose. Ngayon, ang bala ko, maglalagay ako dito. Yan dito sa may basurahan. Diyan ako maglalagay ng sink. Yeah, para pag halimbawa yung gulay, dito na lang huhugasan kesa sa loob. Kasi nga, meron akong na-experience na, pero I don't think yung eggplant yun. Ang duda ko doon yung yung kamatis. Siguro meron siyang mga insekto na sa loob ng kamatis. Tapos hindi nila sa loob. Parang nabuhay. Siyempre warm yung loob ng bahay. Nabuhay siya hanggang ngayon. Parang may konti pang natitira. Kaya sabi ko kay June, don't bring the tomato anymore inside the house. And do not bring the eggplant inside the house. Dito na tayo talaga mag-aano ng garden. So, ngayon kunin natin yung ating excuse me. Uminom kasi na ako ng kape. Kunin natin yung yung lababo, yung sink. Guys, pasensya na kayo. Wala akong mic. Hindi ko suot yung mic ko today. But anyway, ito yung sink na binili ko. Teka, kunin natin yung mic para hindi kayo mahirapan sa akin. Pasok na naman ako sa loob. Ayan guys, meron na akong mic. Hopefully, marinig nyo ako. Anyway, ito yung ating lababo, stainless na lababo. Akala ko naman, naka-assemble na. I guess I have to assemble. Yeah. Kasi ang laki ng box. Yung pala, ganito lang siya. Oh. What? Akala ko naka-assemble lang ganito. Yung pala yung sa loob. My gosh. Anyway, ilalabas ko muna to. A-unbox ko siya sa loob para relax ako at wala akong makalimutan. And then, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Paa niya. Ito yung ilalim. Tapos, ito yung mga drain. At mga accessories, I think. Yeah. Guys, I never assemble lababo in my life. Pero meron naman siyang instruction naman dun sa Amazon. Meron siyang video. It looks easy, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, today is Sunday, di ba? Walang pasok ang mga third shift. Kasi ang third shift, yung Sunday night nila, yun ang Monday nila. I know, it's a little bit confusing kasi nung bago ko dito, confused din ako. Pero ngayon, nasanay na ako. Oh, ito yung lababo, guys. Oh. Anyway, dahil Memorial Day nga dun sa Monday, which is Sunday night is Monday of third shift people. Kaya ang balak namin, pupunta na naman kami sa bahay ni Roland at mag-hangout na naman uli. Ganito lang kami, guys, pag mga weekend, wala kaming ginagawa. Always get together lang talaga, guys. Ihaw dito, ihaw doon. Minsan nagkakaraoke kami pag available. Tapos kain. Tapos yung mga bata, yung mga teenager na mga anak, naglalaro sila ng volleyball, ganun. Tapos hinihingal ako, guys. Tapos pagdating ng mga gabi na, syempre hindi na sila makakalaro ng volleyball. Naman sila, maglalaro sila ng cards. Tapos yung mga adults, umiinom-inom. Kaya after this one, kung i-assemble, iisipin ko kung ano yung madadala ko doon mamaya sa bahay ng brother-in-law ko, doon kay Roland. Tapos, kung ano man yung mamaya, yung ganap, isasama ko kayo. So, right now, i-assemble ko muna ito. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung final product kung ma-assemble ko. Okay guys, may problema. I tried to assemble itong itong sink. I think I'm missing parts. So, I'm gonna ended up, ibabalik ko siya, i-return ko siya. Kasi, hindi ko naman siya mailalagay dito, guys. Kasi missing parts dito sa ilalim. Yan, gaganyan siya. So, I do my research. I do look on YouTube how to do it. Talagang missing part. Kaya ang mangyayari, hindi ko siya magagawa. Mapopost po na naman yung project natin. I have to return it. Ang kagandahan lang dito, guys, sa Indiana, dito sa Amerika, everything is easy. I-scan mo lang, bibigyan ka nila ng barcode, dadalhin mo lang dun sa store, and then you get your money back in like within 2 hours. So, that's the nice thing about returning product here dito sa sa Amerika. Yun lang, sucks lang kasi excited pa naman ako. Sana maayos ko na siya. So, mabibihay na naman tayo ng schedule. So, i-return ko siya, i-repack ko na naman, ibabalik ko na naman dito sa box. And then, bili na naman ng bagong brand. But anyway, makulimlim na naman guys. Para na naman siyang maulan. So, baka mamaya, I don't know what time we're going to Roland House. But, so far, ito yung ganap ko sa Sunday. Tahimik. Like I always said, ang mga kapitbahay dito, tahimik ang mga kapitbahay. They mind their own business. So, that's it for now, guys. Kung matutuloy kami kay Roland, then, babalitaan ko na lang kayo. Okay, guys. I decided to go to Roland House. Even though, it start sprinkling. Nag-aambon-ambon. Yan ang sinasabi ko talaga eh. Indiana weather, nakakasakit sa ulo. Anyway, papunta na tayo sa bahay ni Uncle Roland. Ewan ko kung anong magagawa nila sa ganitong weather. Makulimlim, tapos umaambon-ambon, malamig ng kaunti, kakaasar. So, ngayon, kung ano yung kakainin today, basta ako, bumili ako ng plantain para siyang saba. Tapos gagawa ako ng banana cube. Ayan lang. Mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo pagdating ko doon sa bahay niya, kung ano na naman ang ginagawa ng mga tao. Ganyan kasi kami guys, kapag spring or summer na, pretty much every day, every week, every weekend, get together, playing cards, singing karaoke, cooking, ganon. Kahit yung weather para talagang masakit sa ulo, try lang kami ng try. Kasi nga naman, pag dumating na naman yung winter, wala na naman. As in boring. Yan ang buhay namin dito sa Indiana. No much fun. Ang fun thing to do here is like work. So, okay, mamaya balitaan ko kayo. Ayan guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa bahay ni Uncle Roland. Anyway, bumili ako ng saba. Ang bigat na naman. At meron tayong brown sugar. At magluto tayo banana cue. Hi, Arya! Arya, come here. Can you say hi to my vlog? Can you say hi, vlog? Can you say hi? Thank you, Arya. What you doing, girl? Are you not cold? No? Honey, can you say hi to my vlog?
Hi!
Hi, Kuya Ridge. Kuya Ridge, can you say hi to my vlog?
Hello!
Hoy!
Hello guys!
Hi, vlog!
Oh! Whoa! Good mate.
Oh my God. Uncle Ron making.
I got little brats going on here. I got hot dogs for the kids.
Oh my God.
I'll take one of each because there's not that much. Here.
And we're on diet.
For everybody get around.
Yeah, we don't have much pork barbecue. Brandon,
One brush for each. Woo!
The heck? Where's the food?
One
can you
brush.
say hi to my vlog, Kuya Brandon?
What's up?
What's up?
Brandon, just get one of each.
They're
One
done,
of each.
they're done playing volleyball. Now they're all
You
hungry.
don't have much.
No, not done. Just food break.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
food break. That's what they call it. Yesterday, maraming luto, but today, not much. And it's cloudy today. I guess it's the best time to play volleyball kasi hindi masyadong mainit. I'm so bored now. I can't.
Never eat.
Never eat. He made me eat all the time. What are you eating? What you called up?
Chicken kebab. Sorry, Bobby.
Chubby Barbie? But anyway, is he okay?
Yeah.
Put you on my YouTube?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Okay, American eating pork barbecue. What do you call this one in the Philippines anyway?
Food?
No.
Sorry, Bobby.
No, it's not sorry, but
Kebab.
that's Junjun. Sorry, Bobby. Yeah, pork barbecue.
Just barbecue? Not sorry, Bobby, not
Pork
kebab.
barbecue. We call it pork barbecue. Not kebab. Kebab is English.
Kebab.
Anyway, that's all for today. Magta-try na ako magluto ng ano.
Is it really all for today? The whole day just started.
For now, I'm gonna cook a banana cue. Where is it? Come here. I'm gonna cook banana cue. What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's good. That's all I can tell you.
This is all over my face.
Sabi ko doon kay ano, oh my God, I even forgot her name. I forgot. But anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, magluluto ako ng banana cue. So, ito yun guys, yung pinirito. Pero, wala akong saba. So, ito yung akin. Plantain banana. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. O, diba? Bongga. But anyway, masarap kasi kumain ito ngayon guys. Dahil ano nga, maano yung weather. Makulimlim, malamig. Kulang na lang dito kape. Pero itong mga tao dito, they don't really like, where's my sugar? They don't really like coffee much. Pop. Diyan silang hilig sa pop. But anyway, nakailang anyway na ako. Pasensyahan nyo na ako. Sakit ko na ata yung anyway. Magluluto ako ng saba, tapos ipapatikim ko sa kanila sa labas. At tignan natin kung ano yung reaction nila. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna like it. Kasi, it's really good. There's nothing to be like nasty dito. Hindi lang nila alam. Hindi lang kasi nila alam na yung piniprito yung banana. Ang alam lang nila yung kinakain na banana na diretso na. Pero yung pinapry na banana o kaya yung turon sa atin, hindi kasi yan very common dito. Kaya, ipapatikiman natin sa kanila mamaya. Tapos na yung ano ko guys, yung banana cue ko. Ayun sila guys, naglalaro sila. Yeah. They're playing volleyball. It's perfect weather. Perfect weather! Playing volleyball, perfect weather. Yes, because it's not hot, no sun. Uh-oh. Kids. Nagluluto, diretso kain na. Ang Carolan, you're cooking and then eating also. Mamaya patikimin natin sila ng ano, ng banana cue. Anong reaction nila? First time they're going to try the banana cue. But before you try it, I know I got this one. But before you try it, you have to say banana cue first.
Banana cue? Banana cue!
Banana cue.
Banana
You
cue.
did a good job. Okay. Now, let's see what the reaction. It's hot, okay? It's hot.
Holy shit, I love it.
Oh my God, it's good, isn't it?
That's so good.
It's not too
Am I
sweet.
supposed to cuss? Probably
I
not.
can bleed.
Holy beep!
So you guys like it, the banana
I
cue?
do.
In the Philippines, we have those small one like that, but here,
Are they green?
no.
Like in the peel?
You know, the Mexican store, they have those yellow banana.
Uh-huh.
That's the one. The one that you buy at Walmart, you cannot fry that one. You have to eat it, like you put in your salad. But that one you have to have.
I love eating plantain chips. I love plantain chips.
Yeah.
So I love this. I love the texture.
And sometimes we make banana egg roll.
Ooh.
You guys know egg roll, but it's not really an egg roll.
I love crispy.
You like the crispy one.
It'd be so good with like peanut butter syrup, like drizzle on top.
She said, mm-mm.
Nah, But anyway, I'm glad you guys like it.
Thank you.
You're
What
welcome.
else you got?
Well, for now, we got long summer long.
Long summer.
Uh-huh.
You know what I love
What you love?
is the sour soup.
So, oh, it's the sinigang.
I love ube flavors. I loved it.
Okay, we're gonna do that one of this day. Alrighty. You're gonna rate it from what? 1 to 10.
10, 12,
10. 12.
20 out of
Wow.
You have to say banana cue.
Banana cube.
Banana cue. Have you tried that before? No. Mabenta yung banana cue natin.
6.
Gusto yung banana cue. Nanonood na lang sila na ano.
I'm at the game, champ.
Hey, sir!
Man, slide down, CJ. We're coming inside.